Our business is built on the satisfaction of others. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.